I'm going to cook three mixed beans. The Asian, especially India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan. That's all available here also in USA, Canada, worldwide. So these three beans. One is a Masoor bean. Masoor dal is like a radish, and then this one is a Channa Daal, and other one is a green one, is a Moong Daal, Moong. So all three mix. I left in the water almost 3 hours. So it's soaked already. So I'm going to cook that. It's available everywhere. This one will be like similar to soup. So I'm going to turn on fire. Here's the ingredient. Crushed pepper can be powdered to chili powder. This is crushed pepper. Turmeric, called in Urdu, Hindi, Punjabi, haldi. This one is a haldi, very famous, popular worldwide. Crushed pepper is it's a red chili, basically they crushed. Cinnamon stick, also called dalchini, is available, a lot of available in the worldwide, Spanish country, Indian region, Asia, Far East, everywhere. This is a black seed. It's optional actually. It's a salt. Here is a cumin seed and few cloves right here. Cloves are a lot of, they grow in Indonesia. I travel a lot, many countries, so I brought a lot of cloves, green cloves. They turn to black. So this is here a bay leaf, one piece only. I want to add it in there. And here's a garlic. This is a green onion I took out, which I grow here, a few. So here's a ginger I chopped off. I'm going to add here. We'll cook almost at least 1 hour, or when it will be ready. So I just add it. So that was little bit more than half cup of this bean, which I put it in the water. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. So I'm going to cook almost 1 hour. I will let it cook easy, full fire. Then I will bring it to medium flame.